my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut high-low bubu shirt. You can make it kaftan if you like. By the time I'm through with the cutting, when you practice on it, you will love the finishing, I'm very sure. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. I'm using 2 yards of chiffon fabric. You can make use of crepe fabric or any other fabric of your choice. It depends. So now I'm going to fold this into 4. Now folding this into 4 now. This is my 2 inches button allowance that I'm going to put. You can see this is into 2, then this is folded into 2 as well, making into 4. This is going to be at the front while this is going to be at the back. So the length that I need here, I need a full length of 34 inches. You can make it 40. If we can make it more longer than that, you can make it a full kaftan if you like. So after 34 inches of the length of the sleeve, which is the long length of the sleeve, the way you want it to be, you can make it more longer than mine if you like, but here I'm using 20 inches. So the 20 inches I'm talking about, I took measurement from the center of the neck at the back to the elbow. So you can make it long sleeve if you want, but I'm using 20 inches here. I said it earlier, it's an high-low bubu shirt. So the back is going to give me the exact 34 inches that I said, but I'm going to load the front with 3 inches or 2 inches. You can make it depends on how low you want your front to be. So now I'm going to start with the measurements. So starting with the sleeve, I said it's 20 inches. So this is my 20 inches. So with the seam allowance, I'm going to make it, my seam allowance is going to be 1.5 inches. So here is it, 1.5 inches of seam allowance. I said earlier that the button space here, which is the button allowance, is 2 inches here. So and my length, this is 34 inches for the whole length. So from here now, I'm going to deduct 3 inches up for the front. But mind you, this is the back and here is the front. So I'm going to make this up here. You can see this is the back. That's going to be the exact 34 inches, and this is the front that is going to be lower than the back. So now the next thing we're going to do here is that you're going to slant it. It's a slant line up here, up to the down part here. So if you want to measure the wideness of the down part here, you can still take the measurement using up to, I'm using 15 inches here. So in all, it's going to give us 60 inches. So with my 1.5 seam allowance, I'm going to put it here as well. Now, so after the length, I'm going to cut out the side. So starting from here, it's just a straight line down. You can see it. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to deduct the neck. So for the front neck, this is the front neck and here is the back neck. So this is a button allowance. So you have to ignore this. You take the main measurements from here. So the wideness of the neck here, it has a polo, so don't forget, don't let it be too wide. So the wideness of the neck here, I'm using 2.3 inches. So for the wideness of the neck, I'm using 2.5 inches. And for the deepness, I'm using 2 inches. So now I'm going to cut it out. So for the front, you can try to lower it. You lower it with 1/2 inch. Just 1/2 inch. So that the collar will stand firm on the neck. So here is it. This is the back and this is the front. You can see it. So it will be the down part that I said is going to be lower than the back. So don't forget, this is the front that I sketched out that time. So this is the front. So don't forget, this is the center of the front and this is the side. So the center will be more high than the side. So starting from here, this place is 3 inches. So when you just put your temple at the middle here, just make it 2 inches. And before the side, make it 1.5 inches. And you start from here. So when I join the sketch together, you see what I did. So you can see it. You can see how it's formed. So then I'll cut it now. So like I said, so now this is how it's going to be, and this is the back. So the joining will come from here, from the two sides. So let me show you the collar first before explaining how to join it. For the collar, I'm using this 17.5 inches for the long neck, which is the roundness of the neck, and 11.5 inches for the wideness of the collar. So now I'm going to fold it for you to see now before cutting it out. So folding this into 2 like this. You can see this is into 2, then into 4. This is into 4. So this is going to be the wideness of the collar, and this is the roundness of the collar. So now I'm going to make use of 2.5 inches. So taking out 2.5 inches from here, this 2.5 inches, then then 2 inches here, so you can see it. You can see the way I'm cutting it out. Then I'm going to load this particular edge. So I'm lowering this part with 1 inch. Then it's going to be like this. You can see. So by the time you are sewing it, you can make it curve or straight like this. So let me open it for you to see. So you have to notch the center. The center, and you can divide it into 2, or put your stage there like that. Then you can see it. You're going to match it with machine like this. So the join for the kaftan, before attaching this, let me show you. So here is how to join the bubu shirt. This is the back and this is the 2 fronts. You see the way I'm going to place the 2 fronts on the back now. So for the bubu shirt, this is how it's going to be. You can see the button allowance. You can see this is the neck, and this is the shoulder. That's the other shoulder too. This is the down part. This is the back, and this is the front. So I said, like I can make it more 5 inches up, 10 inches deep. You want your front to be. So for the joining, you're going to start the joining from the shoulder here. You stop here. Then you take your measurement. It depends on the elbow, the roundness of the elbow. You can make it 7, you can make it depends. So if I'm making it 6, so I'm going to start the measurement after stopping the measurement from the sewing here, then starting another sewing from here, leaving this space for the sleeve. Then continue joining it to the down part here. The same thing applicable to the other side too. Then you tape your down part, and here too. Then you put your button hole. Here you put the button. You can make it. You can make the button up from here to the down, or you stop at the middle. So it depends. So if you are making the button from up to down, fine. And if you are making the button from up to the middle, don't forget you're going to stitch the remaining side. Then this from here to the up is going to be the opening. So this is the collar. So after joining the 2 shoulder, when joining the 2 shoulder, then you fold this button holes into 2 like this. Then you match it with the machine. it remains the space. So the measurement for the wideness of the neck is 16. So don't forget, I make this 17 and a half because of the same allowance, which is the same thing as sewing allowance. Then I'm going to make it, this particular one, I'm going to make it 16 as well. Making this 16 as well, then you take it round the neck. Take it around the neck after when you join it, and that is going to give you your polo. Now this is the simplest way and method of cutting the bubu shades. You can see the way I explained. So don't forget to try it and sew it as well. It is a very unique bubu shade. So thank you for watching. For the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.